Amazing morning, everybody!
Amazing morning!
Ulit. Amazing morning! I am worldwide.
Amazing morning!
Ayan, may energy pa ba? Excited ba kayo that you are here tonight?
Yes!
Wow, puno-puno tayo. This is so impressive. And as always, it is so great to see you all. And of course, congratulations sa lahat ng ating Elite Executive Awardees tonight. Asan ba ang mga awardees natin? Palakpakan nga! Parang ang hina.
Talagang naging hindi kayo.
Congratulations, guys! You should be so proud of yourselves. I'm honored to speak and share with you all again tonight. Many of you know na my testimony, di ba? How many know na my testimony? Okay, how many don't know my testimony? Wala! So alam niyo na lahat.
Yes.
Ay, uwi na ako. So, okay. Gusto niyo ba kwento ko ulit? Okay. Kasi, syempre, yun ang ating pinanguhugutan sa ating produktong I Am Amazing Organic Barley. Pure barley. Yes? Yes. Okay. I'll share na lang a little. And, eto, hindi ako marunong mag-click-click dito. So, subukan natin. Oops, balik. Balik daw. Ayun. Oh. One lang. Ba't ayaw? Ayun. Okay, there we go. Ako yan, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine yourself becoming like that? Kakasya? As most of you know, I was diagnosed with stage 2 ductal carcinoma in situ in year 2001. 2001. Anong year na?
2025.
So ilang years na yun? So ilang years na akong survivor? Praise God! Alam nyo, I was only 30 years old when I was diagnosed. So ayan na, giveaway na. Ilang taon na ako ngayon? Ano? Ilang taon?
36 daw.
36 na.
Actually guys, 56 na ako.
Alata.
Grabe? Grabe? Barley lang yan. Nagpa-barley na ba kayo?
Barley na.
Barley lang yan.
Barley ba kayo?
Barley na.
Nakaka-cancer kayo. It's the last thing on our minds,
Yes,
correct?
Miss Charlene.
When you're in your 30s, what is actually on your mind? Yung totoo. Real talk tayo. Sige. Ano ang mga naiisip nyo when you're in your 30s pala?
Tama daw.
Ano?
Oh.
Ano naisip mo? Tama daw.
Ulit! Ano?
CBR. Mag-asawa. Asawa daw.
Lakasan nyo naman!
Mag-asawa!
Travel? Travel? Ang iniisip nyo pa? Okay kayo ha? Ano pa?
CBR.
Ha?
Magkapera daw.
Mag-asawa daw.
Mag-asawa!
30s? Paano magpalaki ng matinong mga anak?
Oo.
Tama hindi?
Tama.
Paano kumita ng pera?
Yan.
Tama hindi?
Tama.
Kasi when you're in your 30s, yun ang tinatawag nilang hustle years. Correct? You need to hustle. You need to work hard para
Kasi
pagdating mo
Bentley
sa 40s and 50s
Kasi nakita ko
mo,
one time na gano'n siya. Sabi
relax
siya
ka
ko
na. Medyo
Merong
mas
nag-interview sa
magaan na ang buhay. Correct or not?
Miss Martoni, ano ang kotse niyo?
So, paano kung
Barley
kahit
bar
ka
naman
ng
yan.
30s mo, or ako in my case, kaka-30 ko lang, bigla kang na-diagnose with a deadly disease. Paano na yung priorities mo? Naiisip niyo ba yung health niyo pag nasa 30s kayo? Hindi.
Kasi.
Diba? Hindi natin naiisip yun. Kasi nga, ang priority natin is our kids, raising your family, and making money for your kids. Am I correct?
Tama.
Wow, ang hirap dito. Walang feedback, ha? Gusto ko yung feedback.
Yes.
Ayan. Okay, gusto ko ganyan. So, nung sinabi sa akin ng doktor ko na meron akong cancer, ano yung isip ko? Anong isipin nyo if you're 30 and you have cancer? You are dying. Do you know the strangest thing that entered my mind when I got diagnosed with cancer? I don't think I shared this with you guys yet. Naisip ko kaagad kung ilang taon si Jesus nung namatay. Ilang taon si Jesus? 33 years old. That's right. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung prayer ko noon? Lord, baka pwede naman hanggang 33 man lang para parehas tayo. Ganon ang naging prayer ko. That's how your mind works when you are suddenly faced with death. You will bargain. Makikipagtawaran ka kay Lord. Kasi, total, ikaw naman, bata ka rin, di ba? 33 ka. 3 years lang, Lord. Pwede na po sa atin. Yun talaga ang pinagdasal ko. Kasi at that time, 6 years old pa lang si Lex. So naisip ko, at least makasama ko man lang siya for 3 more years. Na-imagine nyo yun. A few years later, it just so happened, yun nga, nagkasakit ang mom ko. At dahil akong panganay, akong sumama sa kanya sa Amerika. Sinabi sa akin doon na meron akong cancer. They told me that I would have to go through chemotherapy. Alam niyo ba kung ano ang chemotherapy? Yes? So, in a nutshell, para lang quick review natin, they will put poison in your body that is called medicine that will kill the cancer cells para hindi ka patayin ng cancer cells. So, to poison a deadly thing inside your body. Pero ang problema dun sa poison na chemotherapy is hindi lang ang cancer cells ang hinahabol niya, pati ang healthy cells. All fast-growing cells in your body. So, since alam niyo ng lahat ang aking testimony, nagsulat pa naman ako ng speech all about my testimony. Huwag na lang, i-test ko na lang kayo. Gusto niyo?
Yes.
Yes! Okay. So, what are the healthy, fast-producing cells in our bodies? Okay. Number 1, ano yung mga mabilis tumubo
Immune
sa
system?
katawan ng tao? Buhok.
Bravo.
Hair. So that is 1. That's fast growing cells in your body. 2. Nails.
Yeah.
Yes. 3.
Tartar.
Hindi kayo nawawalan nito.
Wala ko.
Lalo na kung magaling kayo sa I Am Worldwide. Laway.
Laway. Yeah. Sorry. Hello.
Totoo yan. Fast producing. Kahit lumunok ka ng lumunok, maubusan ka ba ng laway?
Tama.
Never. Bakit? Kasi
Hindi nga
your
mabilis na
body
siya.
is producing it. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Fourth, your stomach lining. Yung lining ng stomach nyo. These are the reasons why kapag nagpapakimo tayo, kami, hindi tayo, kami, mga nagpakimo na, nalalagas ang buhok, nag-gray yung nails, suka ng suka, kasi yung lining ng stomach, okay? And maraming singaw. Alam niyo ba na yun pa rin, up to now, ang number one sign ko, personally, na kapag naglo-lower ang immunity ko, alam kong magkakasakit na ako, ang number one na nangyayari sa akin is
Ang singaw?
nagkakasingaw ako.
Ganun.
May ganun ba dito?
Yes.
Meron.
Hmm.
Pag ganun, anong gagawin dapat?
Mag-barley na.
Mag-triple dose ka na ng barley mo. Okay? That's a hint. Kasi ako, kahit mapuyat lang ako ng OA yung puyat, alam mo yung normal na matutulog ka 11, tapos for some reason one night natulog ka 2 a.m., kinabukasan for sure may singaw na ako. Yun yung isang natira na hindi ko matanggal-tanggal from the time na nag-chemo ako. Interesting?
Ang sakit nun.
May sign.
Okay,
Oo nga,
so,
test, diba?
alam niyo na naman, pagdating ko sa Amerika, biopsy. Pag biopsy, cancer pala, correct? So, I did both chemo and radiation therapy. Ang binigay sa akin ng chemotherapy, good for how many pounds na tao? Akala ko alam niyo na yung testimony ko.
800 ata.
Good for a 200-pound man.
200 pounds.
Mukha ba akong 200 pounds naman?
No.
Hindi, di ba? Ang binigay sa akin, ganun matapang na gamot. Bakit? Sabi nila, kasi daw in America, they're aggressive, especially when you're young. Because the younger you are when you get cancer, the more aggressive the cancer. So the more likely it will spread faster. Hindi katulad ng mga as you age, tulad ng mga pag nagka-cancer ka in your 60s or 70s, medyo hindi na ganun ka-agresibo yung cancer cells. So, saan ba tayo? Kailangan makarecover ako fully from, ito yun. Ang sabi sa akin ng doctor, every time I do my chemotherapy, I have 21 days to recover for my next chemotherapy. And I need 4 cycles. Kapag daw hindi ko natapos or hindi nakarecover yung white blood cells ko within 21 days, balik to step 1 na naman ako.
Ganun.
Gets nyo?
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Kwentuhan lang to kasi alam niyo na lahat ng testimony ko eh. Ang dami kong prepare dito, wala lang. Okay. So the recovery period for my first cycle, it took me almost the entire 21 days. Siguro day 20, naka-recover ako. Pero, ang nangyari is, nag-research ako. How can I help myself recover faster than just allowing my body to take its normal time? Doon ako nakapag-research about young barley powder while I was in the States. Yung powder na yon ang pinapasok ko sa hospital and I started taking it without my doctors knowing. Pero kasi naisip ko naman, sabi nila 6 months, mamamatay na ako, might as well. What have I got to lose?
Tama.
Diba?
Yes.
So, I took a chance and started taking it. Lo and behold, on my second cycle of chemotherapy, it was only 4 days. 4 days. That's me on my first cycle. I remember that very well. After my first cycle, 4 days after, naglagas lahat ng buhok ko. So kasama ko pa si Lexi, I tried to make it fun. Sabi ko, Lika, upo ka dito sa kama. Sabay natin hilahin yung hair ko. So hinihila namin, ganyan, ganyan. Pag ganun mo, ganyan lang ganyan lang. Pag ganun mo, lahat siya sumama. Can you imagine? Siguro dun pa lang matay ka na. Ako naman, minindset ko na sarili ko, hindi ako pwedeng matakot, hindi ako pwedeng magpakita ng sadness or fear kasi nandun yung 6-year-old daughter ko. Sino dito mga may anak? Taas nyo, be proud parents. Diba, you never show them you're scared. You never show them you're lost. You never show them you don't have control of the situation. Kahit natakot ka na, to them you will always try to show how strong you are because you don't want them to be scared. That was me in the first one. Tignan mo, nalulumata ako. Ang lalim yung mga eye bags. And then on my second chemo, I'm already in my own apartment. I didn't have to go in the hospital anymore. Imagine, no? Doon, after 4 days, nakakapagluto na ako. So, paano nangyari yun, guys?
Kasi nga nagpo-pulse.
This is where I found out about our amazing barley. Siyempre, hindi pa siya IAC barley noon kasi wala pa naman tayong IAC at that time. But it is the very same barley that I took during those days that is in our product today. Dinala ko po ang barley natin sa Pilipinas noong 2001. For 4 years, I would give it to friends to try. To my own dad, na diabetic at the time, he was taking insulin shots. And after only 3 months, his insulin levels were normal and the doctors stopped him from taking insulin shots.
Wow. Nice.
So, why did I do that? Kasi akala ko, there's a chance na one fluke lang. Alam mo yung fluke, yung by chance lang that it worked for me. That maybe ako lang, maybe it was just the makeup of my body and not
Other.
the barley itself.
Okay.
That's why I gave it to friends and to family. I have friends who were trying to have children for 7 years. Hindi sila magkaanak. Binigyan ko ng barley. Only after 3 months, they got pregnant. Okay, may disclosure ako dito Magdi-disclose ako. Maraming piloso po ako nakakausap sa ganito. Sinasabi sa akin, ibig sabihin, kahit 58 na ako, pwede pa ako magbuntis. Biologically, pwede. Pag hindi na talaga, cannot na kahit ang bulak-lak mo sa barley natin. Okay? Isa pa. Pagka po tinanggal na yung part ng body nyo, yung organ na yun, hindi na magkukorek. Pero, kung katulad ko, sinabihan ako ng doctor na nagkikimo ako that I would go into menopause. Because one of the side effects of chemotherapy is putting your body into menopause. But, my ovaries were still intact. So, after 2 years, totoo naman, wala talaga yung period ko for 2 years. Pero after 2 years, my period came back. Which is unheard of. To the point that when I told my doctor I was pregnant again with Liam. Kilala niyo naman si Liam ko, di ba? They were so shocked. They thought that I decided to adopt. So sabi ko, hindi po ako nag-adopt. I am having a biological birth.
Ha?
Ano second day?
And he was so shocked. He asked me how. So I had to tell him about the story. Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
Yan si Lexi. Ang tawag ko sa kanya kaibigan. She was only 6. She lost her first tooth while I was going through chemotherapy. And that is my miracle. Si Liam. I call him my miracle because the doctors told me I will never have kids again. And yet, I have him.
Lagyan ng period.
Mami ko kumain. Ang pala na.
Ang hirap naman ito. Dapat pala nag-cellphone na lang ako. Ibabato ko na lang sa sahig to para hindi ako
Marami na?
biological baby ko si Bunso. Kilala niyo naman siya lahat, di ba? You know him. Liam was, I think, 4 in that picture. Now he's already 20 years old. The son I was never supposed to have. And look, both my babies are part of Annual Worldwide. Si Lexi is an emerald, and Liam is a sapphire in executive.
Ano?
May kasabihan, di ba?
Twins sila.
There's a saying, practice what you preach. You know that saying?
Mas matanda
So,
si Carl.
what kind of mentor would I be if my own family is not practicing what we preach?
Mga 20
Not only am I a 25-year cancer survivor, Jesus allowed my test to become my testimony. He turned my pain into my purpose, which is, I believe, why I'm standing in front of all of you today. Sabi sa Romans, all things work together for good for those who love God and are called according to His purpose. But I have another verse that I love. It is 1 Peter 4, chapter 12 to 13, verses 12 to 13. Beloved, do not be surprised at the trials when it comes to test you, as though some strange thing is happening to you. Sabi ni Lord, huwag tayo magugulat pag dumarating ang trials. Instead, rejoice in so far as you share Christ's suffering, that you may also rejoice and be glad when His glory is revealed. Naniniwala ba kayo that His glory has been revealed in I Am Worldwide?
Yes.
May kumot.
Di ba parang
I miss kumot.
sa lahat ng pinagdaanan, ng kahirapan, ang bunga is yung barley natin. And yung barley, ang naging flagship product ng ating I Am Worldwide. Kung hindi dahil sa pain, never nagkaroon ng barley tayo. So God is really an amazing God. So no matter what you yourselves are going through, hindi madaling mag-umpisa, lalo na dito sa network marketing natin. Hindi na tayo networking, networking na tayo, correct?
Yes. Network.
The secret is to take your barley every day. But it's not enough to take your barley. You have to be an agent of hope. Alam mo, taking your barley for yourself is like having a lot of money and then not sharing it with your loved ones. Parang swapang. Because you found some way to make your life better. Some way to make your health better. Some way, tulad ng sabi ng naunang nag-testimony before me, to make yourself look younger. Kasi, believe it or not, our body is so amazing, it really will make you look younger. Guys, I am 56 years old. Minsan, meron ako mga nakakasamang 56 years old. Naiisip ko, 70 na sila. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Kasi nga, nasanay ako na hindi naman ganun ang itsura ko. Tapos pagkatabi ko, tatanungin ko, ate, ilan taon ka na? Inaate ko pa, kasi nga mukhang Shonda. Yung pala, ano lang sila,
Stress.
40-something, early 50s. Sa loob, bakit ganun ang itsura niya? Share agad ng
Barley.
That's right. Kasi totoo ha, you know our body has the amazing ability to help you lose excess weight.
Yes.
It really does.
Yeah.
I've tried it. You wanna know what I mean when I tried it? Yung kakain ako ng 5 araw na hindi ko iniisip kung anong kakainin ko, basta lahat ng gusto kong kainin, kinakain ko. And then, darating sa point na tinitignan ko yung food na susuka na ako. Basta ang importante, nagpa-barley ka first thing in the morning. Kasi your body will tell you, I have enough. It really works. Basta ang sikreto is you listen to your body. If you don't listen, pag sinasabi na ng body mo na, busog na ako, wala ka pa rin pake. Talaga, wala tayong solusyon dyan. Pero if you listen, because your body will tell you. How many of you know when you're sleepy? Sige nga, raise your hands. Mahihayin kayo. How many of you, your body will tell you when you're tired? Okay. How many of you, your body will tell you you're hungry? So, do you not also believe your body can tell you when you're full?
Yes.
And your body can tell you when you
Sorry.
need certain supplements? Meron ba kayong time na uuwi kayo, feeling nyo, gusto kong something salty.
Sabi ganun ako something.
O kaya, uwi ka, gusto kong something sweet. That is your body telling you that it is lacking something. And if you listen carefully and not just put junk in it, your body will always remain healthy. A lot of people ask me, nagda-diet ka ba, Miss Todd? No. No, I don't diet. I exercise when I can. I'm not like a freak na everyday nasa gym. Hindi. Hinahanap yun kasi ng katawan ko yung exercise. Pag hindi ako nag-exercise regularly, sumasakit na yung balakang ko. Diba? But that's age. So, what can I end my talk with you tonight with? I can end it with simply telling you my belief. My belief is simple. It is not enough to be healed. You must help also others to heal. It is not enough for your life to be uplifted. It is your obligation to teach, help, and show everyone around you how to also uplift their own lives
Sorry.
so that they too can live better lives. Correct? First, by you yourself, drinking your I am barley every day, so that God can give you your own powerful testimony also. Sino dito ang mga may powerful testimony na? Raise them high and proud. So guys, kulang pa, hindi pa tayo lahat. Dapat all of us has a powerful testimony, correct?
Yes.
Because how will people believe you if you yourself don't have one? Next, to learn and teach and spread how our company works, our system, and how it changes lives. Ituro nyo ang marketing plan natin para maintindihan nila at makapagbigay din sila ng pag-asa sa iba. At makatulong din silang magbago ang mga buhay ng iba. Hello there! Kailangan may resulta ka kasi kung ikaw walang resulta, paano naman sila maniniwala sa'yo? Ako, bakit ko pinilit maging diamond? Kasi, like I told you, barley queen niyo ko. Nakakahiya naman kung ako mismo hindi nagra-rank up.
Ay. Tama.
Patunay yun, diba? That our system works. Our product is great, but our system works. Kahit gaano ako ka-busy, mahirap pero
Kaya.
kaya. Meaning, if I can do it, so can you.
Yes.
So walang excuses.
Tama eh.
Ginawa ko yon para maka-inspire. Na-inspire ba kayo?
Yes.
Na-inspire ko ba kayo?
Yes.
Sana naman, kasi hindi madali. Pinagsabay ko talaga lahat. Lastly, but most importantly, huwag maging mayabang.
Tama.
May kasabihan kami nila, Pres. Yayaman,
Pero hindi yayabang. Yayabang.
Yayabang.
Tama.
Nagugutom na si Margie, ano?
No, you are an agent of hope being used mightily by Jesus to spread the news of health and prosperity. Kaya mga ka-mentors, don't forget to take your I Am Organic Barley every single day. Okay? Again, ito na, closing na ako ha. I would like to congratulate all of our Elite Executive Awardees tonight. Give yourselves a round of applause. Hindi madali, pero madami nang nauna sa inyo. Yung mga hindi pa nakakarang up. Kung may nauna, ibig sabihin kaya at may susunod pa. Ikaw na ba yun?
Yes.
Ikaw na ba
Gina.
yun?
Yes.
Ikaw na ba ang susunod na tatayo dito?
Yes.
Ikaw na ba ang susunod na makakakuha ng sports car?
Yes.
Sabi mo yan, ha? Remember, guys, you are what makes this company work. Together, we have the power and God-given purpose to change lives. Helping others is what we do. It is our mission and our business. Continue to be the agents of hope for others. This is how you will succeed. You need to help others to become a success yourself. Strive to be better every day. Be a servant leader. And guys, see you at the top.
Yes.
I am Mariconi Fernandez. I am a diamond mentor. I am your one and only barley queen. And I am worldwide. And there we have it,